You tell that the cat has taken over my room. I just got all of this fuzz, which you can't even see. It's like this huge pile of fuzz off of my office chair. And there's still, which you can't see unless they come down like here, there's still like a layer of shedded fur all over my chair, all over the back of my pillow. Yeah, my cat definitely took over my room when I left. Fuzz!
Gizmo!
It's been a really lazy day. I haven't even gotten out of my pajamas today. My knee has been really bothering me and I've been really tired. I don't think I got very much footage except of this cutie today who has taken over my office chair, so I don't know how I'm going to edit the vlog without kicking her off. But yeah, that's been my day, mostly hanging out at the house and working and playing with the kitty cat. But yeah, tomorrow I've got a couple more interesting things happening, but not very much, so that's really going to be it.